As a storm chaser, it sometimes feels as if the atmosphere is out to get you. Forecasting is hard, I don't need to tell you that. But some days the challenges are just laughably difficult. Today's chase is one of those, where everything looks primed and ready for tornadoes, but one very important detail was missed, which took down the whole storm chase for us. It is mid-afternoon and we are in the midst of that classic storm build along the dry line. Wind shear and instability are both strong. Today looks like a tornado day for us. But little did we know, this was the start of a frustrating affair. For supercells, you need plenty of wind shear and instability, but sometimes a supercell can split. Strong wind shear can oftentimes push storms in two different directions. As two low-pressure centers form, one clockwise on the north side of a storm and one counterclockwise on the south, these can end up creating new updrafts, moving in two wildly different directions. This is known as a storm split, and you guessed it right, our day was about to become a split fest. Like I said before, storm splits move in two wildly different directions. The right split, the counterclockwise rotating storm, tends to move east, while the left split, or clockwise rotating storm, tends to move more northerly. This automatically put us in a trouble area, as we were on the northern fringes of the target. We were in a pickle. A left split storm was racing towards us as our dryline towers began to fade. It seemed like the only storms we would get would be left splits from the storms to our south. Visually, left split storms look backwards, with the updraft jutting out northwards from the precip core to the south. On radar, they look like inverted supercells. If you flip this video horizontally, you see the storm resembles a right split in many ways, but tornadoes from these inverted supercells are rare. In chasing, you have to play the hand that you are dealt, so we opted for a closer inspection of this left split. A storm began to rapidly form and intensify a county to our north. We had us a new target, but we had a left split in between us and the new supercell. Left splits are notorious hail producers. We tried and failed to get into the bigger hail, but as we followed this inverted supercell northwards, we noticed some quite large hailstones. As we arrived on our new storm, it was clearly dying. Remember how left splits can suck the energy out of the atmosphere? That's exactly what our left split storm had done to this new one. The left split had carved a path east of our dominant storm, working over the atmosphere and creating a dead zone of instability. Visually, our storm had almost no precipitation or lightning. This day was done.